Today, we're going to replace this with something better. What does the Hella horn sound like compared to the OEM horn? I'm going to show you how to install the Hella horn on a 2002 to 2007 Subaru Impreza. You're going to need a bracket to mount the horns and a wiring harness. The bracket I'm using is a Grimmspeed bracket. I got mine off Amazon. The wiring harness, I just got off eBay. Now you don't need to remove the front bumper. You can pop off the front vents. You just need to undo these two clips. And then also these clips if you're taking off this vent as well. Or sometimes you don't have clips. You can use a flathead screwdriver to get these off, but I personally like to use a trim clip removal tool. It's easier to use and it prevents you from damaging clips. After the clips are out, you can just hit the tabs on the inside and pull it right out. These tabs right here, hit these, and the vent comes right out. So with the vents off, now we can reach in with our 12 mil and take off the stock horn. Once it's taken off, you remove the harness. Now we're going to take that 12 mil and get this other horn right here. Stock horn, harness. You'll need to unscrew the left bolt and center one that will be used to mount the bracket. So now just hook up the new harness to the back of the horn. So we're going to put a negative and one of the positives on the horn. Either one works. You'll also want to reattach the rest of the wires before bolting the bracket on. Here's our positive from undoing the OEM horn, and here's the positive from our wiring harness. The horns are held down with a 13mm nut. Now you may attach these horns to any spot you want. I'll show you a bunch of different setups in the end. Line this ground wire up with the top hole and mount it back onto the car using the same bolt. You'll want to hold the bracket in place with the other hand while screwing it on. Put the front vents back in. They should just slide and pop back into place. Then add your 4 clips. Done. Alright, so let's see what they sound like. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you found this useful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Subaru content. And check out the playlist for more tutorials. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!